We cater from family base, so from childhood into adulthood. We cater pediatrics, so we're giving preventive. The EMS, meron kaming EMS dito or the airflow. Yung airflow is nagbibigay siya ng kinokontrol yung bacteria, and then in effect, yun, mape-prevent natin yung ating pagkakaroon ng sakit sa gilagid, and also yung mapapababa natin yung caries rate or yung pagkakaroon ng bulok ng ating ngipin gamit yung specialized na machine na EMS or the airflow. So we're offer also our digital. So our X-ray is really low dose yung kanyang ini-emit na radiation. So makakasiguro kayo na safe ito sa ating mga pasyente. Kasi yon, mas mataas pa yung radiation ng araw kaysa dun sa aming dental X-ray. Come and visit in Advanced Dentistry. So we have 3 branches. So from SM Santa Rosa, Festival Mall Alabang, and SM Tanza. Come and